lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside us, just slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the coffee's perfect steam, a scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are